This is a 2019 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 crew cab, silver over a gray interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, remote start, Apple CarPlay, automatic transmission, heated seats, traction control. There's a look at the rear seat, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, hard tonneau cover, bed liner, sliding rear window, Z71 package, powered by a four-cylinder engine, so it's fuel efficient. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.